Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you should you pay for Robinhood Gold. Now, as you know, Robinhood Gold is a basically suite or a version of Robinhood with powerful tools, data, and features to take your investing to next level. As you can see, this is what you get with Robinhood Gold. You get 4.15% interest on your uninvested brokerage cash, right? You get bigger instant deposits. You get professional research from Morningstar, level 2 market data from Nasdaq, and you get access to margin investing at 7.25%. Again, 11.25% with gold. Now, as you can see, you can try gold for free for the first 30 days, obviously. But in this video, I will just quickly tell you, should you pay for Robinhood Gold? Now, although you get a lot of the valuable things here, and you get a lot with Robinhood Gold, I wouldn't recommend this for early investors or investors that are just getting in, or even investors that are not really investing a large sums of money, because you won't be able to you will have bigger instant deposits, but then if you don't use that feature to your advantage, you won't be really using that feature, right? Because you don't have enough money to invest. As you can see, this is also one great take. Robinhood Gold is worth paying if you regularly trade on margin or plan on using its Morningstar research reports and level 2 Nasdaq data. Paying $5 a month for all this data is a very reasonable price, and the margin rate savings you can get easily cover the cost, right? So again, Robinhood Gold, it's just $5 a month, guys. So if you want to just go with it and just kind of try it, definitely try it. But again, my personal opinion is, if you're really like a beginner investor, and if you're below $10,000 or even below $50,000, I wouldn't really recommend Robinhood Gold. So that's kind of my take on it. Comment down below your take on it, and if you're using Robinhood Gold, then definitely leave some feedback down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.